Just when you thought the excitement peaked with the iPhone 16 launch, guess what? Apple's ready to keep the hype train rolling with another big event. This time, we're talking about new iPads, fresh Macs, and some seriously cool power upgrades that could change the game. If you're ready for the next wave of Apple tech, buckle up. October is going to be quite the ride. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, we can expect some awesome new stuff this October. The lineup might include Macs powered by the new M4 chip, a revamped Mac Mini, and the highly anticipated iPad Mini 7. There's a lot of buzz that this new iPad Mini will pack a more powerful processor compared to its predecessor, plus some internal tweaks to give it a performance boost. Right now, the iPad Mini 6 runs on the A15 Bionic chip, which is also in the iPhone 13 series, but it's a bit slower than what you find in the iPhone 13 Pro models. Gurman hinted back in December that the new iPad Mini's standout feature would be its upgraded processor, but kept the specifics under wraps. It looks like the iPad Mini 7 might get the A16 chip, which has already shown its power in the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, as well as the latest iPhone 15 models. Some people are wondering if the Mini might get an M1 chip like the iPad Air, but that seems less likely right now. In a recent tweet, Gurman said there's a good chance Apple will bump the iPad Mini's RAM from 4 to 8 gigs. This upgrade could help support some cool new AI features when iOS 18.1 drops. As for the design, it seems like we'll keep that sleek look we love, but Apple might introduce a new display controller to tackle that annoying jelly scrolling issue that some users have experienced. You know, that laggy feel when scrolling. Fingers crossed this fix will make a difference. There's been a lot of chatter about Apple potentially switching to OLED display technology. If you're hoping to see that in the iPad Mini, you might need to manage your expectations. It looks like we won't see OLED until next year at the earliest. They're reportedly in talks with LG and Samsung about that active matrix OLED. Some reports suggest Apple might roll out OLED tech for the iPad Mini and iPad Air starting in 2026, which could take things to another level. Remember when the iPad Mini had a 7.9-inch screen? Well, the 6th generation bumped it up to 8.3 inches in 2021 by ditching the home button. Now there's chatter about the new iPad Mini featuring an 8.7-inch OLED display, but don't hold your breath for that until 2026 either. And what about a foldable iPad? Probably not happening with this model. Back in December 2022, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo made it clear that a foldable iPad Mini was off the table, mainly because it would be way more expensive than the standard iPad Mini. It looks like the 7th gen iPad Mini will stick with that 8.3-inch size, but we could see some exciting new display tech. A post from a South Korean forum mentioned that Apple ordered 8.3-inch screens from Samsung that could handle a max refresh rate of 120 Hz. If that's true, we might get the smooth promotion scrolling we love from the iPad Pro and iPhone 13 Pro models. That would definitely help with the jelly scrolling issue. While we're a bit skeptical about a promotion upgrade, since that feature usually sets the Pro models apart from the standard ones, let's hope we won't have to wait too long to find out. In November 2023, Ming-Chi Kuo suggested that the 7th gen iPad Mini could launch in the latter half of 2024, maybe even during that October event everyone's buzzing about. So, what are you hoping to see from the new iPad Mini 7? Are you excited about a powerful new processor, a slick display, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and for more updates, make sure to check out our channel. We can't wait to catch up with you all in the next one. Until then, take care and stay tuned for more Apple excitement.